Whole eggs are among the most nutritious foods on the planet, containing a little bit of almost every nutrient you need. They are loaded with nutrients, some of which are rare in the modern diet. Eggs are one of the few foods that should be classified as superfoods. Here are 10 health benefits of eggs that have been confirmed in human studies. 1. Eggs contain 77 calories, 6 grams of protein and 5 grams of healthy fats and good amounts of vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, vitamin B6, calcium and zinc. Eggs also contain various trace nutrients that are important for health. In fact, eggs are pretty much the perfect food. They contain a little bit of almost every nutrient you need. 2. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, with a single large egg containing 6 grams of it. Eggs also contain all the essential amino acids in the right ratios, so your body is well equipped to make full use of the protein in them. Eating enough protein can help with weight loss, increase muscle mass, lower blood pressure and optimize bone health, to name a few. 3. Eggs are high in cholesterol, but eating eggs does not adversely affect cholesterol in the blood for the majority of people. In fact, a single egg contains 212 milligrams, which is over half of the recommended daily intake of 300 milligrams. However, it's important to keep in mind that cholesterol in the diet doesn't necessarily raise cholesterol in the blood. The liver actually produces large amounts of cholesterol every single day. When you increase your intake of dietary cholesterol, your liver simply produces less cholesterol to even it out. 4. Eating eggs is a great way to increase HDL. HDL stands for high-density lipoprotein. It is often known as the good cholesterol. People who have higher levels of HDL usually have a lower risk of heart disease, stroke and other health problems. 5. Whole eggs are an excellent source of choline. A single egg contains more than 100 milligrams of this very important nutrient. Choline is a nutrient that most people don't even know exists, yet it is an incredibly important substance and is often grouped with the B vitamins. 6. Eggs contain vitamin A, which is essential to eye health. This is crucial to point out because vitamin A deficiency is the most common cause of blindness in children in developing countries, pointing to its importance. As well, zeaxanthin and lutein are two nutrients that can reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. One study showed that an egg yolk per day significantly increased both of these nutrients in the blood. 7. A research study at Harvard University cited that eggs can lower the risk of breast cancer. This was most beneficial when eggs were consumed in adolescence. However, a later study showed that women consuming at least 6 eggs every week had a 44% reduction in the risk of breast cancer than women who ate fewer eggs. The choline in eggs is also a protectant against breast cancer risk. Eggs can provide a number of health benefits. Strong muscles. The protein in eggs helps maintain and repair body tissues, including muscle. Brain health. Eggs contain vitamins and minerals that are necessary for the brain and the nervous system to function effectively. Energy production. Eggs contain all the nutrients that the body needs to produce energy. A healthy immune system. The vitamin A, vitamin B12, and selenium in eggs are key to keeping the immune system healthy. Lower risk of heart disease. The choline in eggs plays an important part in breaking down the amino acid homocysteine, which may contribute to heart disease. A healthy pregnancy. Eggs contain folic acid, which may help prevent congenital disabilities, such as spina bifida. Eye health. The lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs help prevent macular degeneration, the leading cause of age-related blindness. Other vitamins in eggs also promote good vision. Weight loss and maintenance. The protein in eggs can help people feel full for longer. This can reduce the urge to snack and lower a person's overall calorie intake. Skin health. Some vitamins and minerals in eggs help promote healthy skin and prevent the breakdown of body tissues. A strong immune system also helps a person look and feel well. To experience the health benefits of eggs,